Hello, my name is Shane Jensen, and today we're going to talk about rivers, creeks, streams. Today the object of this lesson is for you to determine how to best measure, pick a method to best measure water flow. There are several careers out there that both study and measure water flow. We have state, federal, and environmental agencies that do it to protect fish and wildlife species. Those agencies also predict possible floods, and they also study erosion and how and just the power of water and what it can do. Other things we study water flow for are for hydroelectric power and dams. Also for transportation and commerce on larger rivers, not this one maybe, but on rivers like the Columbia. But we also can consider everyday life when we're out in recreation, recreating in nature, fishing, kayaking, rafting. Just right now we have a couple fishermen down the river, and we'll get a picture of those guys in just a bit. But the question for you today is, how would you best measure water flow? Consider it in your groups. Consider it by yourself. Go ahead and discuss and come up with your best method. Thanks.